Welcome to my new listing at 126 Crescent Street in Bridgewater, Mass. We have a 3-bedroom, 1-bath ranch. Let's come take a look. Some of the great features we have with this home is hardwood floors throughout. We have a wood stove, central air, many updates including the vinyl siding, vinyl windows, and centrally located, walking distance to the schools, right off the highway, and just an all-around great location. Also, for additional features, we have a walkout finished basement with a second kitchen. Might be a great space for a college student, in-law, or when visitors come in from out of town. Thank you for coming on this tour with me today at 126 Crescent Street in Bridgewater, Mass. If you know anybody that's looking for more information on this home, feel free to have them reach out to me. You can call or text at 774-300-0431.